Hey there, it's Miranda Fox, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team. Today, we're at 600 Thornton Road North in Oshawa, where I've got a great condo for you to check out. This is a completely move-in ready condo. Everything is done. We've got a nice functional kitchen that's been freshly painted, stainless steel appliances, and it overlooks the dining room. Now, if we come across here, we'll see how big this living room is. Now we've got over 1,100 square feet here. We're 2 bedrooms. One's right here. We've got a 4-piece bathroom right here. We also have in-suite laundry and a storage unit here. And we'll finish off with the primary, where you're also going to find your own 3-piece bathroom. Now, units hardly ever come up for sale in this building, so I want to make sure you get in for your showing. Call us above. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any other homes for sale.